Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Honda CRV cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task is crucial for maintaining fresh air inside your vehicle and ensuring your heating and cooling system operates at its best. You'll only need a few basic items: a new cabin air filter, which is readily available, and a small flathead screwdriver. It's also a good idea to have a pair of gloves handy to keep your hands clean during the process. Let's get started. Now, let's begin by accessing the filter. First, completely empty your glove box of all its contents to give yourself ample working space. Next, look on the right-hand side of the glove box for a small damper arm. Carefully push this arm inward towards the front of the vehicle to unclip it. With the damper arm released, gently squeeze both sides of the glove box inward. This action will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down fully. With the glove box lowered, you'll see the rectangular filter housing cover. This cover is typically held in place by two plastic clips, one on each side. Gently press these clips inward to release the cover and set it aside. Now, carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Take a moment to observe the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is important. Insert your new filter, ensuring its airflow arrow points downwards, matching the direction of air movement. Almost done. First, securely reattach the filter housing cover, making sure both clips snap firmly into place. Next, lift the glove box, gently pushing its sides inward to guide it past the stops. Once past the stops, the glove box will sit correctly. Finally, reattach the damper arm to its small peg on the right side of the glove box. Give your glove box a gentle close, and you've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.